This Century 21 Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Lux. This well-maintained concrete block, CB, construction home features a desirable split-bedroom floor plan with 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a 2-car garage. Enjoy multiple living areas, including a formal living room, family room, and a large kitchen dinette perfect for gatherings. The updated kitchen boasts granite countertops, a pantry, and tile floors that extend throughout the home for easy maintenance. The primary suite is a true retreat with a generous bathroom offering a walk-in shower and a walk-in jetted tub. Step outside to a screened porch that overlooks a beautifully landscaped, park-like backyard, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Additional highlights include an inside laundry room, ample storage, and a serene, private setting that feels like your own oasis. For more information